Hello, mathematics students and families of Clayton Valley Charter High School. My name is Debbie Heinzman, Mrs. Heinzman. I am an Algebra 1 and Mathematical Reasonings with Connections teacher here, and the purpose of this video is to offer support for parents with our new curriculum, Imagine Learning. So what you're looking at right now is the PDF version of the student-facing task statements that go along with every lesson. So this has every question that the students were asked to do during class while they went through the lesson with the teacher. This is a linear inequalities lesson, the second of a two-part lesson. But this structure is the same across Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. So it's helpful. In particular, I wanted to show everyone this part. So these are all the activities that made up the lesson. This is what I wanted to draw everyone's attention to. Here at the end of every single lesson is the lesson summary. These can be printed out and they can act like a textbook so that you and your student have something physical that you can hold on to and look at. They go point by point, walking through exactly what the focus of the lesson is and what the student was meant to get out of it. Here are examples of, for example, the point of this is to illustrate that a point on the line makes the equality true, but it equals the values of the line. A point above this area is, in this case, because we're talking about less than or equal to, a point here makes this not true, right? $1,640 is definitely greater than $1,000. And then this point here that they go into detail and simplify for you demonstrates to the student that indeed this is where this part of the plane is what will be shaded. So the point of this is that there are detailed instructions and a summary of every point that was brought up in the lesson. In this particular case, it covered interpreting what the different points in a plane of linear inequalities was meant to show. Thank you very much for listening. These lesson summaries, which are part, like I said, of the student-facing task statements, can be found online on the online lessons, and they can also be found in the PDF version of the student-facing task statements. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this helpful.